Hi everyone, it's Alicia again, and this week I am joined by James over at Matex Gears. James, how are you doing this week?
We're doing really well, thank you.
Good. So in today's video, we are talking about planetary gears for precise positioning, increasing torque and speed reduction. And you're just going to tell us a little bit more about that. So I'm going to turn that one right over to you.
All right, thank you, Alicia. One of the big concerns a lot of customers have is they think they need precise positioning in low backlash gears. We actually do make some low backlash gears, but I think it's important that we also discuss some of the negatives of low backlash gears, in that there needs to be a certain amount of play between the gear teeth. Otherwise, you have heat issues. You also have wear issues, and that's probably a big one. If you're going to really start to use these in a very precise manner, then you need to look at those things also. It's not always about how low can you go. Generally, we consider our gears general duty gears. Again, we do have precise gears if that's what is required. That's just something you need to talk to us about, and particularly in your application, and we'll try to work with you to get the best gear for your application.
Okay. So you mentioned application, and these can be used in a lot of different applications. What are some of those?
Well, we seem to be big in fluid movement. In pumps is a big one. We are in conveyor belts and conveyor lines. That's also another big area that we supply a lot of gears into. We supply gears into the medical profession, into tooling, into, it could be used maybe in a washing machine, or it can be used in, we have a picture of farm equipment up there, and I know that we have been contacted by a number of the farm implement companies over time. We certainly are involved in robotics. That's some of our real good customers are involved in that, and we can provide for them exactly what they're looking for, depending on their torque ranges and what their particular needs are.
All right, James. Well, thank you so much for telling us a little bit more about how your planetary gears work, how they're going to help the people working in the different applications that would need them, as well as touching on some of those applications. So if you're watching this video and you're looking for some planetary gears, you're going to want to get in contact with James and his team over at Matex Gears. You can visit them online, matexgears.com, to explore a little bit more about the gears that they have. You can also just give them a call to get in touch. Thanks again, James.
Thank you, Alicia.